Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. I think I might be dead in the water again. Came out last night to do another night of imaging and things weren't quite right, and you know, ever since it got back with the RA motor being fixed, it was rock solid. I mean, it was running just fine, and then last night I came out, went to do the auto alignment, and the telescope went this way and almost hit my camera. So things weren't quite normal. So let me see if it'll do it again for you, and hopefully we'll see what happens. So select the auto alignment, and star sense was not detected. That's odd. All right, for some reason it didn't detect the star sense camera. That did not happen last night. So let's power this on and see what happens again. All right. I'm keeping my finger on the power button. Now, one thing I did notice, hold on a second. The RA and deck, the deck was reading 90, and even though it did move, it never changed, and the RA started at 90 and went to 113 and then quit working. I didn't factory default the handset, did swap out the handset, pulled power, made sure I had enough voltage, reseated all my connections. I don't know what's going on here, so I've got a ticket open with Celestron, and we'll see what happens next. So I might be dead in the water for a little bit again. We'll see. But yeah, so let me get this button back up here. Just a quick voiceover here. This was recorded a couple months ago. The next video will be that I did get it back from repair, so let's finish this up. All right, I'm gonna put the cover on it and wait to see what Celestron says, but we'll see what happens. I want to thank you for watching. Clear skies. Stick around for the outro.
Thanks for watching yet another episode from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video that I have posted prior to this one. Down in the lower right, we have what YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Below is a subscription link. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell if you want to get notified of something new, and as always, thank you. Clear skies. Remember to